5-day Mohawk Valley forecast. Jeff Matthews, accurate educational fun, live streaming on Facebook on the Weathertainment fan page. What a crazy weekend we had, but we'll talk about that in a moment. First, your teaser for the weather trivia quiz. When the barometric pressure goes up, the weather always improves. Is that true, false, true except for lake effect, or it's a trick question? So let's get to the weather headlines and talk about the weekend that was. We saw record highs on Thursday, 67, Friday, 68, and Saturday, too. It was 3 consecutive days with record highs. Saturday, it went from 65 at lunchtime to 34 by supper time. Not making it up. We had chaotic weather with thunder, rain, lightning, thunder, whatever, wind, snow, and snow pellets. All in the same afternoon and evening. That's crazy. That's a lot of types of weather. We're going to be in for a repeat of this come Wednesday into Thursday. The temps are going to climb to mid-60s by Wednesday and then plummet Thursday. As far as precipitation is concerned, Tuesday afternoon, Wednesday, and maybe some lake effect on Friday. But look at that, 45, 50, 65, and then 32. So here we go again. This white you can ignore going on from Wisconsin through Iowa, Nebraska, and Wyoming. That is a stripe of snow brought in behind last weekend's snow and rainmaker, the crazy weather. But that storm stayed to our west. We got on the windy, warm side, and then we wound up with the cold air pouring in Saturday late afternoon and evening, getting some wet snow, a ½ inch. So we've got a couple of little weather makers here. One moving through just to our north, one moving through to our south. As this high gets closer and closer, the lake effect dies off, and the two storms moving into that lake effect diminish it as well. But they're going to pass through to our north and south almost uneventfully, except for a mostly cloudy sky. Not a whole lot going on with those weather systems. It'll be an unrelated one going on across Wyoming that makes all the difference in terms of warming us up first and then chilling us down for Thursday and Friday and creating a little more lake effect. So I'm not overly concerned about this one, which brings some flurries Sunday night into early Monday, and this one doesn't concern me except for some clouds Monday evening and night. Worst case scenario from that would be a few sprinkles or flurries. Not a big concern. So the lake effect dies off. A little bit of sun poking through the clouds for Monday, but not a lot. And then Tuesday into Wednesday, the warm front begins developing. The warm air begins pushing in Tuesday later in the day and at night, and especially on Wednesday. Sunday, radically different from Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 32 was the high. I predicted 33. 27 was the low. I said 28. 3/4 of an inch of rain Saturday and a ½ inch of snow Saturday night. The averages have come up to 36 and 18. The daylight, wow, 11 hours and 8 minutes and on its way up. Nothing wrong with that, my friend. You can support Weathertainment by purchasing through the website, CNY Weathertainment. Go to the partner page. There's numerous sponsors looking for you to deal with them. Back to the trivia question. The barometric pressure, it always rises. When it's rising, does the weather always improve? Yes, no, maybe, and it's a trick question. Well, when the pressure goes up, that usually indicates high pressure's moving in. So it's generally true. It's not a trick question. But it's not always true if you happen to live to the right of a lake. The pressure can go up like it did Sunday afternoon, but the snow flurries can keep on falling because of lake effect on the incoming side of the high as the pressure's building. So as a result, it's true except for lake effect events. Mostly cloudy for Monday, the two systems passing through, just keeping the clouds around 45. Monday night, just cloudy, worst case scenario, a flurry or a sprinkle, low around 30. Tuesday, cloudy, afternoon rain. The 50 ... means it'll be late in the day and keep on climbing Tuesday night into Wednesday. Wednesday, periods of rain, heavy at times, thunder. The temperatures will be soaring into the mid-60s before plummeting Wednesday night. Lake effect will set in Thursday night and linger into Friday. That is your 5-day Mohawk Valley forecast. Here we go again. Make it a great day.